night, so I was doing a shot of the homemade septic system over here. And anyway, I ran out of video. I had to delete a video. See, that's how you clean out a homemade septic system. Old-timey. That's how they used to do it. See there? See that coming out? That's the old-fashioned way. Huh? Don't be a sissy. Huh? Look at that. See, here's the pipe coming in. I'm taking some of the solid out. Get rid of some of this junk. Oh, yummy. Look at that. Now that pipe is freer to flow. Anyway, I may run out. This thing I may run out of video here in a minute, but anyway. Kind of gross. But hey, it's just a hole in the ground. And that's all you need for a septic. This is it. Doing it the old-fashioned way. Huh? Dug a hole, filling it up with poop, and I'll cover it up. Let things flow a little easier in the old homemade system. Oh yeah. Huh? So that's that pipe right there comes from that house over there. Fills up in this hole. The hole's only about 2 foot deep. And it's about as wide as you can see there. 2.5 feet wide and 2.5 feet the other direction. A couple of feet deep. And that's it. Mother Nature does her thing. My shovel broke. Anyway, hey, don't try this at home. We will see you on the next one.